Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to insert full page background image in Microsoft Word. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. I will show you how to insert full page background image in single page and also how to insert full page background image in all pages. First of all, I'm going to show you how to insert background image on single page. Keep your cursor on the left side of your first line and then click on insert. Now click on pictures. Then click on these devices. I'm going to select this image for background image. Click on insert. Now you have to know the paper size of your page. Okay. Now I'm going to see the page size. My page size is letter, so size is 8.5 inches into 11 inches. Okay. Now right click on the image and click on size and position. Now select the height we have seen earlier, 11 inches. And width 8.5 inches. And these two log aspect ratio, that means this ratio, and relative to original picture size. Okay, now click on text wrapping, select behind text. Now click on position tab. In horizontal, click on alignment. Now click on drop down and select centered. Relative to, select page. Again, in vertical, click alignment, select centered, and here also page. Now click on OK. Look, the picture is set to full page. Now you can select the picture, click on picture format to adjust the picture color ratio. Click on picture format. Now click on color. And I am going to select the light color. Okay. The single page full size background image has been set. Look, but in next pages, background image is not set. Now I am going to show you how to set full size background image. Right click on image Click on cut. Now double click on header and your cursor should be here and right click here. Now click on paste. Now just drag and drop the image in full size. Okay, now double click on your page. Now go to second page, third page. All pages full size background has been set. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.